Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make turmeric tea. Using 1 cup of oat milk, half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of cinnamon, some nutmeg, your choice of how much you want to drizzle over it, some vanilla extract, your choice of how much you want to drizzle. I use half teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, or you could use honey, maple syrup, agave nectar, more or less to your liking. Time to mix until all ingredients have dissolved, and heat to your liking. Look at that rich yellow color, so nice and vibrant. Look at that. Time to froth. Frothing gives it a nice latte feel. You can froth if you like, or you don't have to. But if you do want to froth and you don't have an electric frother, you can use 2 cups and just pour back and forth until you get the consistency you like. Turmeric is great for inflammation. I drink it for so many health benefits. So good, guys. I love turmeric tea. What do you drink turmeric tea for? Thanks for watching, guys. If you would like to see more videos like this, remember to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell for notification. Till next time with Jan. Bye.